ascending order and descending order of rational numbers. If there are two or three numbers, and each number can be represented as one greater than the other, the previous number, then we can say that the numbers are arranged in ascending order. On the other hand, if the previous number is greater, or the number at hand is lesser than the previous number, the numbers are said to be in descending. Like this, it goes up, where here 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. Here very clearly the number below is less than the number above. Likewise, this is less than the number above. So then we can say this is in an ascending order. Otherwise, if you take a number, if you write it the other way, okay, if you take 8, 7, 6, 5, here it is in a descending way. Okay, we will take this example and analyze. Arrange the rational numbers. There are three numbers given in ascending order. To arrange the numbers in ascending order, we have to have the common denominator to compare. For that, we have to take LCM. What is LCM? Common multiplier. How do we find this one? This is how we have to do the factorization. It will be gotten here. Okay, together we multiply it here. 5, that is equal to 120. 5 4s are 20. 60 times 2 is 120. That is the least common multiplier. So we will take one after other. Okay, here we got first. We will take this one. So we will bring it what multiplying what? We will get 120 here. 120 is the number we have to arrive at. So we multiply 12, the denominator and the numerator. So we get minus 84 by 120. This is the one. Okay. Then we go for the second one. This is the second one. We got minus 5 by 8. What should be multiplied to this so that we get 120? Okay, 8 times what is 120? 50. You can do the 8 times table to find out. So 8 or divide 120 by 8. Okay, you get 15. Okay, so that is how we get multiply 15 on numerator and the denominator. We get the third one to minus 2 by 3. We will take the third one. So 120 divided by 3 is equal to 40. Hence we multiply 40 on the numerator and on the denominator equally, so that the denominator comes to the 120 and the numerator is gets minus 80. We only compare the numerators. So what are the numerators? Okay, so this is the numerators we got. We know that 84 is greater than 80 is greater than 75 when they are positive. But when they are negative, it is opposite. What we have to do when it is negative, it is going to be minus 84 is less than minus 90, less than minus 75. Okay, you have to learn a lesson this way. Okay, hence all this minus 84 by 120 is less than minus 80 by 120. 1 is less than 3 is less than 2. The top. Okay, then we get it here. So same thing is written here. Okay, that's it. The numbers are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, minus 7 by 10, minus 2 by 3, plus 5 by minus 8. This is the way it is going up this way. Let us take another example 6. In this case, okay, there are three rational numbers and we need to arrange these rational numbers in descending order. Okay, this is the question. that. Step 1, take all the negatives to the top. What is the first step? Take negatives to the numerator. Okay, take negatives to the numerator. Then find the common denominator, LCM, common multiplier. The negative sign is in the top, no problem. If the negative sign is here, we multiply this by -1 on both numerator and the denominator. So we get -4 by 5. Here the negative sign is in the top, so no problem. This is the first step. Okay, in rewriting this thing. Second, we have to find the LCM. How do we do the least common multiplier? Take factorization. 3 and 6 are common, so we do a 3. So we get 1, 5, and 2. So we take all these guys together and multiply together to find the least common multiplier, that is 30. Step 3, we convert the numbers to equivalent fractions with common denominators. That is, we will take this as first and this as third. Okay, we take the first and we know the LCM is 30. So 30 divided by 3 equal to 10. Okay, we multiply 10 to the denominator and to the numerator. So we get this first fraction written in a new form. So then we take the second fraction, -4 by 5. So we got 30 divided by 5, that is equal to 6. Multiply 6 on the numerator and on the denominator. So we get -24 by 30 as the second one. Third is what? Here is the third one. We take it up. -1 by 6. So 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. Multiplying 5 on the top and bottom. So we get -5. Alright, by 30. Okay, we got the 3 equations rewritten in an equivalent way. Now let us compare the numerators. Since the denominators are common, we can ignore them for now. Okay, so the numerators are -20, -24, -5. We know by default -5 is greater than -20, which is greater than -24, which gives this equation, right? So what the corresponding fractions are here, and the original ones that belong to this equivalent fractions are written here. So we got rearranged the given 3 rational numbers in descending order. You remember what is descending is coming down. That is -1 by 6 is on the top, -2 by 3 is on the second, and 4 by -5 is on the lower pedestal. So these guys are coming down the things. Okay, bye, thanks.